You might be thinking that how these agencies lose and gain client. How? So, why agency loses client? One, when the performance of the service provided by the agency is very poor, when there is a poor communication between the advertising agency and the client, or among the agency itself, among various departments of agency, when the demands of clients are unrealistic or unachievable, when there are different type of personality conflicts between the client and the advertising agency, when the attrition rate in the agency or at the client end is higher, the personnel keep on changing, when the size of the client or agency changes, when there are conflict of interest between the advertiser and the advertising client, when there are changes in the client corporate or marketing strategy, when the sales are declining apart from the client is spending a huge amount behind the advertising, then the client would leave the advertiser. When there is conflicting compensation philosophies, when the compensation, how the advertising agency will be paid is confusing, at that time, the agency loses client. When there are changes in the policies, there are disagreement over marketing and creative strategies between the client and the advertising agency, and there is lack of integrated marketing capabilities among the agency itself. How do agency gain client? Through referrals, through solicitations, through presentations at various places, various events, through public relation, and through image and reputation. So with this, we end up how agency gains client under integrated marketing communication subject.